Hello everyone, here's another window envelope idea. It's where you use a flap and you have a pocket here. And it can be a window. You can always choose to do a non-windowed, but I found this in my stash and I thought it was a pretty good idea and thought, oh, I should do this with you guys. So that's what I'm planning on doing. This one has an extra large envelope, so I'm going to keep this part, I think. And I'm planning on just cutting this piece here. The piece right here. All right. Now, I personally think this is going to be too long, so in order to shorten it so it fits a page, well, I can always look at the page that I would be using for a journal, and I think maybe about right here. So what I'm going to do, now that I have cut open and everything, where I want it bent is about right here. So I'm going to fold it over just so I have something to look at when trying to figure out this portion. So I want to cut that there. That off. Now I think I might just tear this part off. I know this is strange. Why is she just tearing it off? But you'll see in a minute. Made that go in a little bit. Just cutting off a sliver here. Now I can make that into my pocket, but I'm probably not going to. But I can, in order to make sure it's straight and everything, do it this way. So I'm going to end up gluing this part in. And I think I'm going to be using my glue stick instead of some other piece. This just makes it go a little bit smoother. Makes that into a pocket. All right. Now, I personally am just, I like to reinforce this edge here, so that's what I'm doing. This is from an old magazine. So I'm just using it to create some sturdiness with this piece. And you can decorate it inside and out. I'm personally wanting to decorate. Sorry about that, I'm back, and I did finish gluing this part down. My apologies that you missed that portion, but I really couldn't help it. So I'm purposely folding that back up so it's ready to go. And I'm going to tear so it matches up like that, and I'm going to glue it. Now, covering these are a little bit more interesting than going off and making any other pieces, I think. But again, everybody has their own where they like doing stuff and they don't. It's easier for me to cover it by doing it that way. Again, everybody's different when it comes down to that. I just find it easier when I know there's a certain amount of space I have to do this. Like right here, I didn't realize that I cut it so close, so wanted to fix that right away. There we go, and then got that spot, and I think I'm gonna this spot trimmed there, and then I'm just gonna glue this one piece onto it. And again, this is really quick and easy to make. Once you get the collage idea down. Glue both sides, fold it over, And ta-da, it's done. Ready to go to stick into a journal. What I like about doing this is you can stick your stuff that's in the pockets. Let's see if I have anything on hand that I can quickly stick it into it. Like these, for example. You stick them like this in, so they're see-through inside the piece, like that. It's just another fun idea for your journals. Again, we all have them. It's just sometimes it's harder to find because we don't realize there's so much you can do with window envelopes. So, just trying to think if I want to do another one or not. This one will actually go the opposite way. And again, I determine what size I want and go from there. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I'll probably do another one off screen. And I hope you have a great day or night. Bye.